So we're gonna try something that I saw on a group and see if this works. So I've got some strainers and I've got my little brass whatever they are, copper, little intake trumpets. And so we're going to attempt to make some filters for these. We'll see how this goes. So I don't know. Well, I think that turned out pretty cool. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna anchor that. Maybe just try some dabs of JB Weld or something just to hold it in place, but it really should be fine. Minimal adhesive. So let's see how these do. I think that'll position them where